Is that me?
Yeah, this you?
No.
You sure?
It's me. Yeah, what's up?
I got a problem with you, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm a troll.
My wife is Japanese.
Okay.
You go there insulting people like that. You know how many people died from Hiroshima joking about that?
No.
So why are you joking about the people?
Hiroshima, Nagasaki, you know. You know Hiroshima, Nagasaki. We're gonna do again.
What?
Hiroshima, Nagasaki. I was drunk. I know
how families suffered, people suffer because of that. You're on the train harassing people like that?
I was drunk.
Don't do it again, bro.
I haven't done it again since.
I've seen how people in Tokyo whoop your ass. You're lucky I don't do the same, bro.
Is that a threat?
It is, yeah. Because you go out harassing people like that, innocent people who didn't do anything. Japanese people are some of the most polite people.
I was
Japanese
drunk
people are the
I
most
apologize.
polite people I ever met in my life.
Okay.
And you're on the them like that for what, bro? For a little bit of clout? It's pathetic. Come on, man.
What do you want me to do about it? I apologize.
You have any idea
I
how
apologize.
awful Hiroshima was?
I know now.
Bro, that's like someone going to the black community in the U.S. joking about slavery. One of the most awful things that ever happened in history. Like, you don't joke about that.
So what do you want me to do from now? I apologize.
Don't do it again.
Don't say nothing about it again.
Don't do anything. Like, what? And why are you bothering people for clout, man?
I was drunk. Somebody dropped a donation. It was a mistake. I shouldn't have done it.
All right, don't do it again, man.
Bro, you were my age one time too. I'm like early 20s. I'm drunk.
I didn't do
I apologize, bro. Dude. Whoa. Give my phone. Give my phone. Give my phone.
What the f***? What? You are your...
Yo, that cell phone is $1,200. What? What? Yo, Max, we gotta get out of here. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Kurusai. Kurusai. Allah You know Hiroshima? You know Hiroshima? Nagasaki? You know why you do this? Pearl Harbor? Hiroshima, Nagasaki! Yes, man. Yes, Hiroshima. Spy balloon. Hiroshima, Nagasaki. You know why we do to you? Hiroshima, Nagasaki. We destroy it. Because you niggas don't know how to behave. Wallahi billahi wa tallahi. I swear to God. You do again, we're gonna do again. You understand? You understand, Hiroshima? Go away. Wallahi we do again. Wallahi, I swear to God. Wallahi billahi wa tallahi. Understand our power. Understand? Wallahi, billahi, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, you know Hiroshima, Nagasaki. We're gonna do again. What? Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
We do again.
You know?
You understand? You don't know. You know history.
What?
You know.
Why don't you sleep?
What?
Sleep alone, man.
Okay, what do you mean?
Where are you from?
You know where I'm from?
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
You're from America?
Yes.
So am I.
You're from America.
Yeah, you're being obnoxious.
You know what we do to you?
What do you do?
We will do again.
Do what?
Hiroshima, Nagasaki. You understand?
Do you think I'm Japanese?
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where are you from? What's your ethnicity?
Texas, buddy.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Korean.
Then sit down, brother.
Why don't you sit your ass?
Korean War, you know what happened to you?
Come on, you're
Don't touch
being
me.
obnoxious, brother.
Don't touch me,
Leave
brother.
this guy alone.
Korean War, North Korean War, you know what we did to you?
Fuck
You
it.
said to me?
I'm just messing with you, brother.
You better move
Come
away.
on, man. Just calm down real quick.
You know what we do. CX, hashtag
Hey,
CX.
how many subs you have?
Bro, I'm at 1,000 subs right now.
Nice.
You know, bro, I'm making money from this. Sit down, brother. Enjoy.
But I'm just saying.
Enjoy. Sit
leave the guy
down.
alone.
He ain't do nothing to me.
What?
Yo, just get out from our country. Yeah, why are you guys, like, literally, I read a donation. Why are you mad about some that happened 80 years ago? I have a lot of Japanese friends. I'm half Japanese, half black. My dad is Japanese, my mom is black. I'm half Japanese. If you mad about it, I'm sorry. I'm literally half Japanese. I'm Japanese. I'm half Japanese, half black. Stop being mad.